What's cooking? I'm Melody Holmes, and we're going to start with our dinner option. So for today, we have mushroom pasta. What you're gonna do is start off with your ingredients. So we have your choice of pasta, your choice of seasonings, your cream of mushroom, and then lastly, your option as far as vegetables. Again, you can use frozen vegetables, that's not a problem. And then additionally, you can use your choice of protein, whatever that might be. So you're gonna start with boiling your pasta. Ours is already ready, so I'm gonna strain it. Once you strain your pasta, you're gonna add all of the ingredients that you see. So again, this is optional as far as what you would like inside of your own pasta. You can also add a little butter because that usually helps the cream of mushroom in your noodles to combine a little bit better. And you're gonna stir as you go, adding in everything that you have, all of your ingredients. Cream of mushroom usually is already seasoned, but you're gonna add just a little bit of seasoning of your choice. So again, I'm gonna go in with my onion powder, my garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, and any additional seasonings that you prefer. But again, just remember that your cream of mushroom is already seasoned. You're going to give this a stir. And once you have the consistency that you would like, any additional options can also be adding possibly some more heavy whipping cream to make it a little bit more creamier. You can choose to add cheese if you would just like a little top, and you can add your choice of protein, and it's simple as that. And there you have the final result of your pasta.